Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cam position sensor on the 2010 GMC ACADIA. All you're going to need is a pry tool and a 10 mil. Alright, so on this vehicle you're very limited on space, so if you got big hands like I do, it's going to be even harder. But on this vehicle, the cam position sensor is separated, broken into two pieces, which is kind of easy to do because the way GMC makes it, it's the part that attaches to the wiring harness is one piece, and then the part that goes into the motor is another piece. So if you happen, for whatever reason, that you gotta reach down there to grab something, you can easily break this sensor. So that's the sensor right there. Two pieces, that's the back side of the sensor, and the other part is still attached to the motor, held by a 10 millimeter bolt. I'm trying to get my other hand down in there and reach for it. Alright, so I got the sensor almost out. I'm gonna flip it up towards where I have a little bit more room. That way I could disconnect the tab that's holding it to the wiring harness. So all you gotta do is push down on the tab and then pull the sensor out. Alright, so now that we got that disconnected, here's the other half of that cam position sensor. It's kind of hard to get the camera to focus because, like I said, you're very limited on space. So, but where you see me tapping my hand, well, my finger, that's where the sensor is. It's held by a 10 mil bolt. Alright, so hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit more clearly where it's at. So where you see I got the ratchet, that's where the sensor is. So I'm gonna loose the 10 mil bolt and then be right back. Alright, so I took the engine cover off. All you do is take off the oil cap and then you'll be able to take off the engine beauty cover. So it gives me slightly more space, but not that much. But now that I got the bolt loose, I'm reaching down there so I could take the bolt out by hand. So that's what I'm doing now. Then I'm gonna have the sensor out. Alright, the other half of the sensor fell to the bottom of the car, so I ain't gonna worry about that right now. So we're gonna put in the new sensor. Squeeze your hand between the AC line and the fuse box wiring harness. Feel for the hole and then pop it back in.
You feel?
Huh?
Oh no. Yeah.
To save some time, hand tighten the bolt all the way so you can't turn anymore.
Damn, man.
And then get your ratchet and then just do one tight turn.
I don't know, man. You will.
Alright, this is the one piece of the sensor. The other half is still down there, but now that I got the bolt tightened, we're going to reconnect the cam position sensor. So make sure the tab that connects to the sensor is facing towards the fuse box. So it's only one way to connect it, so I'm going to try to get the camera focused while I'm doing it. And once you hear it click, you're done and you can start the vehicle. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.